That's the story of Otto Mears in the San Juan Mountains. Railroad can't climb 8, 9, 10, 11% grades. No, except cod, like in Switzerland. As I said, got ready to think about that, and then there went the silver prices. The bottom fell out of everything.
Look at the plastic. Yeah, no, call him too smart.
I can see why that lady's telling us at the hotel why they lost 19 days left.
Long way down there. We're going to look over the edge where I'm standing. See my hand there, and that's looking down. And there's the waterfall there. Oh, there goes the lens cap. Just went down the gorge.
Oh!
Flying down there like a bandit.
Johnny, we'll wait for you to get it.
Still September 11th, 2019. I'm here at a scenic overlook here. There's a little waterfall in back of me over there. And if we look down here in back of me, I'm going to back up here. And you can see way down behind me. It's pretty far down there, that's for sure. Because I'm right here, I'm holding on to the end. So I don't get sucked over the edge. But here it is. Okay, nice fun times, blue sky up above there, so it's all going good. Okay, I hear motorcycles going by. Alright, and we got the waterfall here, goes down into a pool down there. And you can see I'm looking over the edge here, way down the bottom. Come over here. Way down there though. That's Ouray down there.
Talk about a peaceful town. Wow.
Maybe it'll take a while to find a parking spot.
Town of Ouray.